Hi, good afternoon. This is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is February 27th, 2014. I'm glad I got the date right. Today the market, so I mean, just didn't have a lot of good movement. At least not movement that we could catch. Although we wound up with a fair day, and I'm going to go over all the trading with you right now. Let's first take a look at the Russell. And I'm going to show you the live trades that we took in the room, as well as all the trades on the auto trader. Now, the market opened. Right here. And I was just trying to be very conservative. This C candle occurred at 9:33. I felt it was a little tight into the market. A lot of people in the room took it. Never came back to stop us out, and that turned out to be a very, very nice trade that I did not call in the room. It was a 27 tick trade. Then the market just chopped around, and after it usually makes a big move up, it consolidates for a while, and then it finally fell. And because the 15 was coming down hard and the 50 was rolling, I took the C candle, and I did it on a green 50. But you can see once the C candle formed, the 50 rolled red, and that was good for 8. And this is another trade that I missed, that I'm just, I'm upset with myself. This is a great C. The 50 is green. The 15 is green. Really nice trade to the upside. That's numero 2. And in a tough market like this, you cannot let these kind of trades go by. And that was 10. Now I took the retracement. My anticipation was the market would continue up. The retracement failed. The 50 was green and the 15 was green, and not every signal works, which is why you can't miss these great signals. And actually, if we would have taken the market open, because I have a 3 and out rule at 27, and then 8, and then 10, wouldn't have been. We never would even have taken the minus 10, but we didn't. But I took the loss. Then here's another trade that I just cannot miss. It's a gorgeous retracement right back into the modified 15. Goes all the way down without a stop. 28 ticks. And that's an ouch on a day like today. 28.10 and at 27 on the Russell. Well, finally I got a perfect 3-line break. 15 is up, 50 is green, 15's green, candles outlined in blue, order flow, stochastic, and momentum. Perfect trade. Up you go. 23 ticks. Now the auto trader took this trade, and they took a loss. This was a good pullback. I was just unsuccessful. Now the market chopped up here, and we had people taking a lot of these C candles into pivots, but we don't take them, and the auto trader does not take them. So that was it for the Russell. So the Russell, I had 23 ticks and 8 ticks at minus 10. And just really a lot of golden opportunities here. This gorgeous opportunity for 28. This really nice opportunity for 27. And this really nice C candle for 10. So right there, that's almost 60 ticks that I just didn't bag and should have easily done so, trading the Russell alone. And that's an ouch. and here's gold. Now gold gave a really perfect three-line break right here. Now the 15 was yellow, but the slope was green up here. So this was a perfect break that just failed for minus 10. Could not take this retracement. I was watching it because it was into an unbroken pivot, and then this was just too high up, and a pivot right here. So could not get back into the trade. Then there was a bounce off the 50, which I took for 9. And that was it on gold. Not much else. The one really nice setup on gold really wasn't much on gold. The Russell was the one that offered us great opportunities that I just let slide. And I'm kind of smarting from that. With just a touch of aggressiveness, we could have been 3 and out today. So on crude oil, right before we opened the room, we had this beautiful this was a 3-line break in real time. When we close and reopen the platform, it changes the way the charting platform analyzes fractal indicators. So those candles no longer bounded in blue, but it was, and this was a perfect move to the upside for 28. We opened the room at 8:45, and this occurred at 8:42, and that's just the way things went for us today. Now this was a big fall in crude oil, but you can see it fell on a green 50 and a flat modified 15. And when this happens, this is just a move that we simply can't catch. It wasn't that we missed it. It was just one of those rare occasions where the move down was just not associated with any kind of entry based on our trading system. We got tons of great entries on the Russell. A couple of good ones on gold, but we couldn't get into that trade. I took a bounce off the 50, which gave us a lot of heat. I mean, and the 50 was sloping down hard here, but eventually it went for 11. And then I took this bounce off the 50 again, which went for 6. So what we wound up with is 5 winners and 2 losers, 7 trades. Crude plus 11 and plus 5. Gold plus 9 and minus 10. And the Russell plus 23 plus 8 and minus 10. With any kind of trading acumen, the Russell should have closed us out for the day and given us a 3 and out. Net ticks were 3 on 3 contracts. We had a break even. On 5 contracts, we lost $40. And really, this is on my back today. Now, yesterday the auto trader had 9 winners and 1 loser on 10 trades. Today I had a loser on crude, a loser on the Russell, and a winner on gold. And at the time of making this video, it's got a net negative of $490. This is its 8th live session, and this is the first time it's ever had a drawdown. It's had very, very, very few losers. It's never taken 2 losers in a day. It's going to have drawdown days, and I'm not going to alibi for it. It's performing absolutely fantastically. Today, I was not at the top of my game, or we should have been 3 and out today, and walking away with nice profit on 3 trades rather than a break even on 7. So You're welcome to come to the trading room any time. Hopefully you can trade better than I did today. Um, you can just go to the website and sign up for a free trial at www.rightlinetrading.com. Our number is 1-855-765-6681. And you can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com. We're here every day, slugging it out, trying to push a positive equity curve. We're about to close. Actually, tomorrow's our last trading day for the month of February. We're going to try to push that up. We've had a little bit of a drawdown going into the end of February, but we're still going to make good money in February. We made awesome money in January, and we were very, very meticulous with our trades and with our net ticks and our equity. Again, I just want to stress that the purpose of the trading room is for educational purposes only. Hope you have a great afternoon.